Izingane Zesithembu season 4 is back. Tirelo is back and says that she's no longer stressed, she's happy, everything's going well between Yena and Uspindi, and that her influencing career is blooming, it's going well. She's got a car, she's getting brand deals, and is just grateful for support. Thank you, Banyana Baka, for supporting me because everything is going well. And now, Amahle says that she was pregnant last year and she's given birth to a baby boy, says that she did not like Uswindi at all and that Mbumelo was really patient with her until the baby was born. She gave birth to a baby boy. Amthanda wafana uMpumelelo. Now he's got 3 baby boys and says that the baby has been born. Remember how she kept on denying that she was pregnant or that she has a baby on social media? Well, I guess they were waiting for the premiere, and says that all she wants now is the job so she can have money. And then Usne says that a lot has changed. She was pregnant and she gave birth to a baby. She's got a baby girl now, Unkanyezi. And that she also, she did hide the pregnancy, but obviously social media always find out. They did drag her for falling pregnant again and all that. I remember even Umsele saying, well, why you not prevent this knee? And then says that she also had to break up with a boyfriend Ukatliso, as she calls him. And she also came to Joburg Ngok to meet up with the same Kagiso, a guy, to sort of go through what happened between them. Because remember, Usne was saying the baby daddy is Ukagiso, only to find that Ukagiso is not the baby daddy. And after that, they dragged each other on TikTok. Usne would be singing. Kagiso pulled in the screenshots and a voice note of Usne crying. It was messenger. And then when Usne was asked what we are expecting from her, what she's working on, she said no, she doesn't want to jinx anything because so we'll just see what happens. Umpumelelo says yena nje is focused on Khulisi Umdeni, building isibongo sikaMselegu, and that everything is going well. His businesses, his security business, ne Sharp, I think the brand, a clothing brand that he's got, and says that inkomo zikhona, so there'll be lobolas happening this season. Obviously, ekatirelo because Omahle was lobolad last time, and says that yena is focused on building isibongo sikababa, and that Jenny continues. She is still with Utirelo and Amahle, and everything is going well. He is happy. He's good. Unabantu bakhe ke Utirelo no Amahle. And now Ulwandle says that you shouldn't expect much from him because my expectations are in king. But then now Ulwandle has this girl that she was shown Uthando Nesithembu that she's pregnant, and Umagampumelelo Walwandle was saying that they need to have a DNA test to prove that indeed Ulwandle is a baby daddy, because other girls have tried this before. They are pregnant with Lwandle's baby only to find that the baby is not Lwandle's baby. So now, for them to actually acknowledge this baby, they'd have to do my DNA test. Now, ugel uza emzumbe to see Ulwandle. Apparently, they're even stealing to do this because the family wants nothing to do with the girl, because apparently they did a DNA test. Remember when they did meet up, ugel met Ukwezi, well, the girl's name is Ukwezi. She met up with Umacele, and she said that they're going to need a DNA test. Well, they did the DNA test, and it turns out that it was 0 probability, meaning Ulwandle is not the baby's father. But Ugel is insisting that Ulwandle is the baby's father. So now Ulwandle still wants to be in this child's life and this girl's life. Meaning Ulwandle, I don't understand. If Ugel says that Ungane yaziwa unina, and she knows that the baby is not Ulwandle's baby, Ulwandle is keen on being a father. So he's continuing besides his parents' disapproval. Abongwege has graduated. We saw her graduation on social media, and her parents were there. She's doing great on social media as an influencer. She's getting brand deals. She's just blooming, and she's also, I think, leading the family's company that her father put her in. She says that now that she's done with her studies, she's just chilling, and maybe it's time to eat imali kababa. What? When she's making her own money? I don't know what she means by that, but obviously she does get to, because now she's working on the family company. But and then now Untombazane who says that Yena, she is not keen on eating malgababa and she has moved to Ingane Kamakumalo says that she has moved to Devon from Petchepstein and that she's working hard to make sure that she does well, and says Guti Nje, she just wants to keep on working hard so she can make her own money because adulting is hard. It needs imali. And we've seen her working at this dealership company and she's doing well for herself. She did also graduate. And now Umpumelelo calls Utirelo. They meet up at some place in Centurion. Utirelo rocks up in her car, driving her beautiful Jayco car, looking stunning, and says Umpumelelo, they're there to meet up. Then Umpumelelo, Utirelo was even skeptical. How did Umpumelelo find this place? Because, okay, fine, the place is beautiful, it's nice, but it's in Centurion. Why are we doing in Centurion? Is this the place that she's used to bringing the girlfriend that has been trending on TikTok? Who fortunate when Pumelelo appeared on her birthday party. The next young girl took pictures with Pumelelo in the car. And Utirelo was also seen with the girl on TikTok dancing, wearing white t-shirts. Utirelo acknowledges that she does know the girl, but does not want to dwell much on it, and then says that maybe it's a story for another day. I hope she's going to let us know, or maybe tell us, have they met because a girlfriend Kampumelelo, or they met before she became a girlfriend Kampumelelo. That one I don't know. And then Pumelelo is like, yes, Utirelo is making this an issue to make it seem like I always bring Uma Klaba, finding this girl who fortunate Klaba here. So now Pumelelo says that they're meeting her because he once proposed with Utirelo, asking her to marry him, I think in the last season. And Utirelo did say that she's agreeing to marry Umpumelelo. But now they haven't done the whole lobola thingy. It was an engagement because there were issues regarding the lobola. I think Utirelo's family had was skeptical, and then Umpumelelo ended up going to lobola Amahle first before Utirelo. And Utirelo now wants to know, why do you want to marry me now? Umpumelelo says, because ngiyakuthanda. I don't want to say that it's because I'm just going to stick to love. But Utirelo is like, no, man, if it was love, there was a time when I knew you really loved me, but you didn't marry me then. Why now? And says that, yes, in Angazi, I don't know if, like, getting married is a good thing now. Also, after the lobela has been paid, niyohlalapi. I remember even Mama Kampumelelo, Ushibase did say that she was dragged, saying Betty and she does not want Utirelo to get married to Mpumelelo, but she was just asking the right questions because she knows Mpumelelo. Mpumelelo is the way he is, ufana nobaba, ufana noyise. He's exactly like Umselego. Utirelo maqama ukuthi uyagowa manje, usazogowa. She must just enjoy being a girlfriend instead of rushing to marriage. And Utirelo says that it was not just Shibas who did not want her, who was like questioning the marriage thingy. Also, her mom was not keen because she kept saying, where are you going to live? Is he going to provide for you? So it was also Utirelo's family. But now Pumelelo says after he pays lobola, Utirelo is going to go and stay in Mzumbe. And then says, yes, I'm so worried. If you're saying that why do I have to go there at your coties? It's better when someone pays lobola and they have a plan where you're going to live, if you're going to rent out maybe a house and tattoo and get him a crash somewhere. But now, just getting married and we don't know when we're going to stay. Manje, Yimi, it's me, it's Amahle, and you've got kids, like 8 of us now. Are you going to maintain all these 8 people? Usman is confused because what do you mean 8 people? Because according to my lawyer, it's 7 people, including the baby that Mabiela just gave birth to. So I think because Vuya has 2 kids, Tirele has 1, Amahle has 1. So that's like what... that's 4 kids. And then Amahle, Tirelo, that's like 6 of them. And then I think she's also counting the girlfriend. So then there's like, that makes the 8. Meaning the girlfriend is still in the picture. And then Tirelo says, Guti, she's not sure about this wedding thing. But obviously they're just pushing it because... and then she also said that Umpumelelo has changed now because he probably sees that she's slipping away. Tata girl. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.